Hi, my crypto family. How are you guys doing today? Hope everyone is well. As you guys know, I'm Candace from the Virgin Islands. Yes, me. And I love to start my day off with quotes, right? And today's quote is: the choices we make today will create our tomorrow. It is time we choose what we really want and what we want to pass along to our children. That is so important, especially with the topic at hand, which is cryptocurrency, NFT, and metaverse. Guys, this is the way that you would want to pass on generational wealth to your family. Okay, guys. With that being said, so Miami NFT Week is April 1st to the 3rd. Our very own Eric Coffee is going to be there. Guys, make sure you attend. If not, just follow it. Okay, learn everything you can learn about NFT. Also, we have our SD collection. What a perfect way to start owning an NFT. Invest in one. Go research the Astibu collection, the story behind it. Yes, you can find our collection on Looks Rare and also OpenSea. So guys, go check out our Astibu collection. It's awesome. We have over 10,000 collection. Check it out. You want to be in. You want to get in on the Astibu collection early. This is going to help you set in your family financially free. Okay, so with that being said, I just want to just show you guys what's been going on in the NFT space, and so you guys can just see like what you're missing out on if you're not in the space. Okay, so yes guys, so a $350 Bored Ape was just sold for $115. Boy, I feel sorry for the person who sold it. However, the person who bought it got lucky. Okay, so this Bored Ape was sold actually last summer for $50,000. Okay, and now it was sold for 115. So this person acquired it for $15,000 last summer. Now it's sold for 115. So we know that was an error. So whoever bought that thing for $115, they got lucky. Okay. Also, we have what we have next. We have police arrest two 20-year-old for allegedly conning collectors out of $1.1 million. Okay, with this ice cream themed NFT artwork. Scammers are getting in on NFT gold rush. Yes, guys. Anything that provides money or that's worth money, you're gonna have a lot of scammers. So also be careful. Okay, always trust. Well, always go to trusted website. You do your research on different platforms, see, so you can know what sites are trusted. Okay. So one such scheme came to an end last week when the U.S. law enforcement arrested two 20-year-old men, Ethan, I'm not even going to try to say their names, in Los Angeles in connection with an alleged $1.1 million fraud. In January, the two launched an NFT collection called Frosties, releasing 8,888 ice cream scoop cartoon characters that sold out within an hour on OpenSea. They promised investors in the project early access to a related metaverse game and other perks, including the ability to breed new Frosties from existing characters. Instead, less than an hour after the January 9 drop, Nayugen and Lacuna promptly abandoned the Frosties, shutting down its website and 25,000 member Discord channel and transferring all the funds into their cryptocurrency wallets. Such a scam is known in a rug pull, where the creator of an advertised NFT or gaming project stop working on the release but keep investors' money. Guys, be careful. Always follow the coins or NFT that you're working with. Always follow them. Make sure do your research on them. Okay, because you don't want to get scammed out of money, because this is the time that you can get scammed because of what's going on and because of the space. It's it's the crypto space. So be careful. Also, as part of his NFT debut, Jeff Koons will launch Sculptures into Space. coins. Yep, and then he's gonna place them permanently on the moon. So Jeff Koons is already the most expensive living artist on earth. Now he's setting his sights even higher and sending his art to the moon. In a project titled Jeff Koons Moon Phases, the 67-year-old artist will present his first ever NFT collection with Pace Versal, the gallery Web3 platform, of artwork inspired by technological advancements of humans and their endless fascination with the moon. Koons first teased his entry into NFT back in 2021, soon after he cut ties with Gagosian and David Swerner to work solely with Pace. Each unique digital work from the moon phases series will correspond to a physical sculpture. Later this year, a group of the sculptures will be launched into space from Pad 39A at the Kennedy Space Station in Cape Canaveral, Florida, to coincide with the 50th anniversary of the United States' last crewed trip to the moon on Apollo 17. The project aims to do some terrestrial good. A limited number of NFTs will be sold through Pace, and proceeds from some of the first sale will be donated to Doctors Without Borders. So yes, so it's going to be donated to Doctors Without Borders. That's awesome. Congratulations, Koons, and good luck to you. To the moon, guys. NFT to the moon. It's literally going to the moon. So make sure you get on into that space. Also, if you are not going to own any NFT, what I will recommend is you go and get yourself some coins that's actually invested into the NFT, okay? And some coins that you can find that's that's a part of the NFT space is Decentralized, better known as Mana, well, the ticker is Mana. Then we have Sandbox, we have so we have AXS, we have ApeCoin, we have Tether, we have Flow. Guys, sorry for the dog outside. I don't know what's going on. I'm so sorry, okay? We have Shillis, we have Engine, we have Zaliqua, and Wax, guys. Anyways, guys, it was awesome. Make sure you own your NFT. Astibu is the first collection you'll want to own, so make sure you check us out on either LooksRare or OpenSea. Also, like, subscribe, leave a message. Miami NFT Week, April 1st to the 3rd. Follow them, learn all you can learn about NFT. Have a great day, guys. Bye.